Officially disclosed health information about political figures is typically limited to what is required by law or voluntarily released by the individual. In this case, the records that became public did not amount to a full medical history. Instead, disclosures focused on narrow, procedural details tied to legal compliance, emphasizing that courts generally seek relevance rather than comprehensive personal health transparency. What was formally disclosed consisted of general statements or summaries rather than raw medical files. These summaries commonly include broad assessments, such as confirmation that evaluations were conducted or that certain documents exist, without revealing sensitive diagnoses, test results, or treatment plans. This approach reflects standard legal practice, which aims to balance evidentiary needs with privacy protections. Importantly, no independent medical evaluations or detailed physician notes were made publicly available through the legal process. Courts tend to restrict disclosure to information directly relevant to the claims at issue, avoiding unnecessary exposure of private data. As a result, much of what the public expects from the phrase health records was not part of the official release. Public confusion often arises because media headlines compress complex legal outcomes into dramatic language. Official disclosures may confirm compliance with a court order without confirming or denying any underlying health conditions. Legal experts emphasize that compliance does not imply concealment, illness, or misconduct. It simply reflects adherence to judicial instructions. Overall, the records that were officially disclosed offer limited insight into personal health. They demonstrate how legal systems prioritize relevance and privacy, even for high-profile individuals. While transparency remains a public concern, the material released shows that official disclosures are often procedural in nature, leaving broader health questions unanswered and subject to ongoing public debate.